lovelies, it's Dani here. Today I'm going to be talking about plank balancing exercises. Basically, this is the precursor for shoulder taps or for elbow taps or hand taps. We have our hands shoulder width apart, okay? Very straight. Our shoulders are going to be kind of like tapped to the back, you know, pinching your shoulder blades a little bit, and basically use our hips to level from one side to the other. Core tight and bum tight also. Try and bring the bum a little bit down if you feel like it's a little bit up, because that'll make your core not work as hard. So the lower your bum in a straight line you are, then the more the core is going to work. If you feel like this is way too easy for you, go to my next video, which is on hand taps or elbow taps or shoulder taps if you're quite advanced, okay? Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful. If it was, give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more of these tutorial videos, and otherwise leave a comment in the box if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.